Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 ATS. The Cadillac ATS debuted in 2012 as an American-made compact luxury sedan. The ATS gives the driver incredible comfort and control over a nimble, hard-driving compact that directly competes with the 3 Series and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, front license plate bracket, power sunroof, navigation system, tachometer, leather shift knob, front bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.